साल 2023 एसएसएलसी के इम्तिहानात में सेंट जेवेरिया हाई स्कूल का शानदार मुजाहिरा, 100% रिजल्ट्स, कई डिस्टिंक्शन तो कई फर्स्ट क्लास। स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स में खुशी का माहौल। टीचर्स प्रिंसिपल की खिदमत व मेहनत को सलाम। बेंगलुरु के सारापाल्या में मौजूद सेंट जेवेरिया हाई स्कूल दिन ब दिन तरक्की की जानिब गामजन है। इस साल से सेंट जेवेरिया इदारे में पीयू कॉलेज का भी हो रहा है आगाज। एसजे ग्लोबल पीयू कॉलेज में भी दाखिलों का आगाज। चलिए सुनते हैं एसएसएलसी टॉपर्स फर्स्ट क्लास स्टूडेंट्स ने अपनी कामयाबी के सिलसिले में क्या बातें कहीं और मुस्तकबिल में ये बच्चे क्या बनना चाहते हैं। जुनूबी न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
My name is Trishala. I got 96.64 in this SSLC examination. I thank my principal ma'am, my teachers and my school staff for helping me to get so much percentage.
So, how was your preparation suppose?
My parents cooperated a lot for this. I also thank my principal a lot. Our school is getting 100% result since from 12 years. Today, even our batch got 100% result.
What will be your next step?
Next step, I want to take PCMC and do engineering.
Doing?
My father he's doing home milk business. My mother is housewife.
My name is Javeria and I got 90.24 percentage and I'm very blessed to get this percentage, and they were my teachers, principal ma'am and every member of the school encouraged us, gave motivation, everything, and study over here is very much good, fabulous, and I'm here from first standard. I'm like a Javerian family from first standard and I'm blessed, and even principal ma'am, she is seeing me from a small child to become a 10th standard girl, and hoping I could get 95 and above, but I don't know where I went wrong, and 90 percentage, and
Congratulations.
Thank
What
you.
is your next plan?
My next plan is about science, PCMB, and
You want to become doctor?
doctor.
My name is Dania Nazir. I have studied here from the nursery. I got 86 percentage and I was like, I got highest marks in Hindi. Okay, then I'm going to take science, PCMB. My ambition is to be a doctor. Principal ma'am used to be very grateful to us. She's very grateful to us. We are blessed to be in the school. She saw us from the nursery. We grew up here. Like, she used to be day and night. She used to sit with us day and night. Like, yeah, all the teachers are very cooperative here. Yeah. Okay.
What is your aim?
My aim is to be a doctor.
My name is Nujba Sundus and I studied from St. Javeria High School. Our principal ma'am, she was behind us and she was very motivating for us. And I got highest in Hindi. I got 97 percentage in Hindi and I got 85.96 percentage, and I am happy to get so much. And our teachers are so motivating and they were bothered about us.
Hi, my name is Kulsum. I got 85 percentage. My aim is to become a doctor. I got really good support from our school. Our ma'am was behind us from the start. She used to take special class even on Sunday. She never let us behind. She was always behind us. She gave us motivation. Even the teachers, they used to explain us even how many times we asked the doubts. They really supported us. I am studying here from nursery and my father is a driver and my mother is a housewife. All my family and our school, from the school, they supported really well.
I'm Harini of class 10 and I have scored 89.76 percentage and I'm proud of it. It's a major part of our school. Our principal ma'am have been back of us. She have taught us many things and our teachers has played a major part. They have been back of us. They have helped us in lot things. Thank you.
क्या नाम है? Which school you are studying?
I am studying in St. Javeria English High School. I am studying here from nursery. I have scored 90% in my SSLC exams. It's all because of my school. All my teachers, all my principal ma'am, all have worked very hard for us. They used to take classes from 7 a.m. and we would stay here till 5 p.m. All our teachers worked hard. Whenever we go and ask for doubt, they will not hesitate and they will clear our doubts. I am very proud to study in St. Javeria High School. We all are St. Javerian family.
What will be your next step, future studies?
I want to become an electric engineer.
So you are opting for science.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Which background your daddy want? Your daddy.
So actually my father is a tailor and my mother will go for work and I will come to school regularly, sir. I will not take leave so much.
Your good day?
Chuchendran.
गुड आफ्टरनून, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आमिर अहमद. मैं यहाँ ये स्कूल में जाको नर्सरी से पढ़ले करो. 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक मुझे टीचर्स बहुत सपोर्ट करे. SSLC में 87% बिल्कुल है. टीचर्स बहुत सपोर्ट करे मुझे और ये स्कूल भी बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करे और ऐसा स्कूल सपोर्ट कर ले जाना. ये स्कूल बहुत ज़्यादा.
आगे चलकर क्या पढ़ना है?
I want to become a chartered accountant.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕುಮಾರು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2nd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಿಂದ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅವರು ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಫುಲ್ ನೈಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ 100% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 100% ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಗಣೇಶ ಮಾಡೋರು ಐಡಲ್ ವರ್ಕು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು CEB ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ IPS ನಂದೆ. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Syed Shihab. I'm studying in this school since 9th standard. In SSLC exam, I got 85%. The school management is really supporting. They used to take special classes the whole day during study holidays. We have high qualified teachers. They have great experience. They teach very well, and even if whenever we go for like clearing doubts, they will clear the doubts. Even if we send them online, the management is really supporting.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗರಾಜ್, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ತಿಸ್ಲಾ. ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಲು, ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ಸ್ಟಾಫೇ. ನಮ್ಮದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅವರೇ ತುಂಬ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೂ 99 ತೆಗಿತಾಳಂತಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಮೇನ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲು, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್.
Good afternoon. Myself, Mrs. Fazana. I am the principal of St. Javeria High School. Since from 23 years, I am the principal of this school, and my passion in the field of education, I want to do miracles with the children in the field of education. And regarding the result of 10th standard, we are very much bothered about their results and their career, their future. So keeping in mind, we are the main responsible people who can really take the children to their careers, to fulfill their dreams, the dreams of the parents. So we are working behind the exam, behind the result, especially to the class of 10th standard. And this year 73 of students appeared for the examination, out of which 16 of them got distinction and 57 of them have got first class. Our teachers also very hardworking teachers. They really concerned about the future of the children. They work behind the children. Whenever they have been called to the school, they were available in the school any time, evening time, night, anytime they were available for the children. And they have really worked behind the children, below average children, who can get through their SSLC examinations and get into their career field. I am very happy to say that we have got a very good staff over here, dedicated and very professional staff, and we work for the result of the students and for the career of the students. This is my 23rd year of my principal in this school. I am very passionate about education, quality education, making the career for the students, making the future for the students. The children, if they are happy with their career in their future, in their coming future life, that is a very good, great gift for me from my students.
You are opening PUCs.
And we have started this year PU college. We have science and commerce combination. This is purely with the pressure of the parents we have started. Parents were pressurizing us from many years that they were really comfortable with the school management, with the system and the discipline over here. They were requesting us to start a college where their children are safer, in the safer hands. They pressured us a lot. Then we got an idea, okay, let us do something for the parents, that they are worried about the college going to the children. Many parents, many of our community parents, they were stepping behind to send especially the girl children, that they were not safer in safer hands, they are not safer to go to the college beyond very far distances. So keeping all in mind, because of the distance, many children were left behind the education. So we thought, let us do at least something for the children, those who can really come to the college and they can continue their studies. They should not stop in their education. So to have a continuous in their education, we thought of starting a college. This year we have opened a college, SJ Global PU College, and we are getting very good admissions and very good response. This is all because of the blessings and Almighty's grace of Almighty. Thank you.
Javeria School.
The future for the students, the children, if they are happy with their career in their future, in their coming future life, that is a very good, great gift for me from my students. They are worried about the college going to the children. Many parents, many of our community parents, they were stepping behind to send especially the girl children, that they were stop in their education. So to have a continuous in their education, we thought of starting a college. This year we have opened a college.